In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAN79. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are on my desktop. Now, in order to fix the error code VAN79, the first thing you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom, and in the search box go ahead and type services. Then what you want to do is open up services. That's going to come up underneath best match, and in your services window you want to look for VGC. So this is in alphabetical order, so if you just scroll down until you get towards the bottom, towards V, and you should see VGC. You can see that's just down here. So once you've located it, double click, and what that's going to do is open up a window like this. Now what you want to do first is come down to the startup type, and if yours is set to manual, go ahead, click onto this and change it to automatic. Once you've done that, click apply and OK. If yours is saying automatic, change it to manual and repeat the process. Now at this point, do not start the service, just leave it stopped, and what you can then do is close this down. After doing this, come back down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and this time you want to go ahead and type firewall. Underneath best match, go ahead and open up your Windows firewall, and from here you want to come to the left hand side and click where it says allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then what you need to do is come up to the top and click onto the box here which says change settings. What you can then do is scroll through this list and see if you can locate VGC or Valorant in the list. Now it doesn't always show up here, so if it's not showing up, like myself, as you can see, Valorant or VGC is not showing up. So if it's not showing up, come and click underneath where it says allow another app, and on this window that pops up, come and click onto browse. Now at this point you want to go ahead and locate Valorant, so generally it's going to be in your C drive, your program files. So if you come to the left hand side to this menu and you want to scroll down, click onto this PC, double click to go into your C drive, and then go into program files, or it might be in program files x86. But what you want to do is look for Riot Vanguard, so you can see the folder here, double click to open that, and you should see VGC in here. Now what you want to do is click to highlight it, come down and click onto open, and then click onto add, and what that's going to do is add this to this list here, Vanguard user mode service. Now at this point you want to make sure the two boxes are ticked for private and public networks, so if they're not, tick them both. Once that's done, click OK to apply your changes, close this window down, restart your PC, and you should now be able to play Valorant without the VAN79 error coming through. So that's how to fix Valorant error code VAN79. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.